Clearing the cache in the new Outlook app can help resolve performance issues and ensure that the application functions smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide to clear the cache. 1. Close the Outlook app. Ensure that the new Outlook app is completely closed before proceeding. 2. Open the Run dialog box. Press 1+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. 3. Launch Outlook with Developer Tools. In the Run dialog box, type oak.exe devtools and press Enter. Ensure there's a space before the 2 dashes in the command. This command will open the new Outlook app along with the Developer Tools window. 4. Clear local storage and cookies. In the Developer Tools window, click on the Application tab. In the left pane, under the Storage section, expand local storage and right-click on https://outlook.office.com. Select Clear. Similarly, under the Cookies section, right-click on https://outlook.office.com and select Clear. 5. Close Developer Tools and restart Outlook. Close the Developer Tools window. Restart the Outlook app to allow it to rebuild its cache. By following these steps, you can effectively clear the cache in the new Outlook app, which can help in resolving various issues and improving performance.